Hi guys, it's Christine. Welcome back and welcome if this is your first time here. So in today's video, we're going to be opening up a Thredup 15-piece mixed jewelry box. And this box is from Phoenix, Arizona. So let's dive in. And if this is indeed your first time here, and my channel is called Girlio, and I mainly do Thredup unboxings, shop Goodwill unboxings, Goodwill Bluebox unboxings. So yeah, if you like that kind of content, please don't forget to subscribe. I am a part-time reseller on POSHMARK and eBay, and I do direct sales through YouTube. So if you're interested in anything you see in these videos, please feel free to contact me at girliorocks@gmail.com, and we can definitely work something out. And shipping starts at $5 for everything under a pound, and anything over a pound, shipping will be based on weight and location. Okay, let's see what's inside this. And I think Arizona is known for throwing things inside the box without like extra padding. So we have a bunch of loose baggies here. So I'm just going to pull them all off here. I hope everyone is doing well. And I know sometimes the holidays can be kind of stressful for everyone. Okay, the first thing out of the box are these beautiful stud earrings. They're a gold tone, and they look to be CZs. They have this ear jacket, and this is not marked. You can see a little bit of the gold plating coming off right there. See that? Oops. So I don't believe this to be precious metals, but they're cute. They can be worn alone or with the ear jacket. Really cute. And let's just make sure. Yeah, they are magnetic. So if anybody is interested in these will be $3. Next we have another pair of stud earrings. These look to be druzy. They're sort of a peachy color. I don't know if they're real or not, as I can't tell if they're cold to the touch. They feel like they are not. And these are a gold tone. There is no mark on these. They're in good condition. Little cute peach druzy earrings. Very feminine and dainty. And these will be $3 if anybody's interested in them. We have those. Next we have something that is a juicy couture. So that's nice. And this looks to be a multi-layered chain necklace. And let's see if I can organize this a bit better for you to see it in all of its glory. Here is the beautiful necklace. We have 3 layers here. We have a gold light wash chain here. We have a silver tone and then a gold tone chain. Very beautiful. This heart is faceted. It's metal. It needs a little polishing there. It says Juicy Couture on the back. It's a very heavy heart. And we have this little gold tone matte disc with these pearls and a little rhinestone in the middle and a little pearl here. And then we have this little heart dangle. This is JC. There's the mark. Juicy Couture and another crown. So very beautiful. Let's get a measurement on this. This one measures, I'll take it from the top to the shortest chain here. This one measures about 16 inches around the neck. with an extender of about 3 inches. So we have this lovely, juicy couture necklace. Very beautiful. So we have that. That's nice. Next we have another juicy piece. This is a very heavy heart. It says Juicy Couture. Very pretty. And then it also has a little J charm here. It's a toggle clasp, very shiny gold tone. Very beautiful. Let's take a measurement on this guy. This one measures approximately 7 inches. Very lovely, juicy couture. Toggle bracelet. Cute. I like that a lot. Okay, see a lot of gold tone in here. So let's take this out and see what we have. These are gorgeous, really beautiful. These feel like, I don't know if this is glass or not, but these to be gold plated. Very pretty. I think these are acrylic. But very beautiful and shiny. Nice dangles and gorgeous. Let's take a measurement on this. These are 2 inches long. Very beautiful. Okay, next we have something with a lot of chains. Whoa, what is this? Okay, let's see if we can organize this one a bit for you. And it's this really beautiful long gold tone chain. Starts over here, and then it's like really, really long. And it's multi-layered, this shiny sort of beautiful gold chains, layered necklace. Really beautiful and dramatic. Lovely. And this has a tag, and it says Rachel. So I'm not familiar with that brand, but it's gorgeous. Very lovely, slinky, dare I say, sexy necklace. Beautiful. Very luxurious feeling. Oh, and so let me give you a measurement on this guy before I put it away. So this one measures from the top to the shortest chain. This measures about 30 inches around the neck, and then it has all the way from the top to the longest chain. It is about 19 inches. Very beautiful. So we have that. Okay, next we have an Alex and Ani. It's gold tone, and this one's really interesting. We have the Charity by Design, and then the Alex and Ani charm, and then this little charm. I'm not sure what this is. It's very beautiful, so you'll have to look up this design, but it's in this gorgeous green color. Very pretty. It's gold plated, and I don't think I have a lot of shiny gold Alex and Ani bracelets. Oftentimes they come in a matte bronze color, so but that's really lovely. And I'm going to get a measurement on this. This measures in about 7 3/4. It's really pretty. So So we have that, Alex and Ani. Next we have a bangle. This one says Roden and Fields. And if I'm not mistaken, I thought Roden and Fields do cosmetics. I could be wrong. But that's interesting. It's a gold-plated bangle. Pretty sure this is gold-plated. But we have that. Seems to be in good condition. And this one measures 8 inches around. Okay. A lot of gold tone jewelry, which I like. Ooh, there's a bonus here. Okay. Now this is a chunky monkey, and I believe it to be a J. Crew. This is beautiful. All these faceted rhinestones. Wow. That is a stunner. I believe all the rhinestones to be there. And this has a J. Crew tag. A little lifesaver clasp. And let's take a measurement on this. So at its largest, it's about 7 inches. And then at its smallest, it's about 6 inches. So it can be adjusted for 6-inch to 7-inch wrist. Very beautiful. Love that. Okay, next we have something silver tone. And this does not have a mark. It's a toggle clasp silver tone necklace. Very lovely. I think it's nice to have one of these so you can hang, charms and pendants from. Also can wear it this way and hang a nice brooch or pin from there. I think it's very versatile. And so this measures in at 16 inches around the neck. And this is not magnetic, but I doubt this is going to be sterling. I'll just take a rub on here. Yeah, I can see the copper coming through. It's just silver plated. So we have that. Okay. And then a few more pieces. Gold tone. Beautiful. I love this. It's a gorgeous gold tone chain. Really nice weight to it. And this looks like it had a tag at one point because I could see the little jump ring here. But it's missing one. So I might need to do a Google image search on this. It's very pretty. It has a giant lobster clasp. So this one measures in at 16 inches around the neck. It's really pretty. It has these sort of rondelle links here, findings, and then you have these links. Really beautiful. I love that. Okay. Next we have this coin. And this coin says, I'm not sure. It doesn't seem to be, can't quite make that out, but we have this coin. That's the front, that's the back of it, and it's this rose gold link chain. And this says Etika. So we have that. Very pretty. I think this is a rose gold. And this has a measurement of 16 inches around the neck with a really long extender of about 5 inches. That's really nice. So we have that. Okay. Next we have here some pretty pink earrings, and these are acrylic. Really beautiful faux mother of pearl. acrylic looking earrings. Beautiful. These are studs. These are a bit dirty, but yeah, it definitely has some green stuff. So that needs to be cleaned. I will give new backs to these if you want these, and I will try and wipe them down if you do. Really beautiful. So we have those. And last but not least, have some stud earrings. And these are gorgeous, and I think these are cubic zirconium. Very pretty stud earrings. They are not marked. Oops, I dropped the stud. Oh, these are marked 925. So those are sterling. So I wonder if the studs are sterling too. They definitely are not sticking, so let's test and see if they are sterling. So we will test the post. That doesn't look sterling. We will test the backs. That doesn't look sterling either. But you never know, right? So let's take our 18K solution. Nope, they are not sterling. So they are fakers, as Christy would say. And they are still beautiful, regardless if they are fakers. But yeah, so we have those pretty earrings. Well, you guys, so what did we think of this box? I don't think it was the best box ever. That's for sure. But I think there were some nice pieces. I liked this J. Crew bracelet. What else? I like this chain, which I need to find out perhaps what the mark on it once was. Then we have this Alex and Ani, which is pretty. These earrings are cute. I like the juicy stuff. Juicy's always good. Yeah. And this really gold layered necklace is pretty. So overall, I think it was all right. I mean, I think there's a theme going on here. There's a Arizona try to give us a gold tone box with some peachy colored jewelry. So yeah, let me know what you guys thought of this box. Tell me if you had any favorite pieces, and if you're interested in anything you see in this video, please feel free to contact me at girliorocks@gmail.com. So guys, thank you very much for watching, subscribing, commenting down below. Please hit that bell notification on the way out so you're notified of any videos that I put out and you don't miss one. And most of all, guys, be well.